Yo guys, it's Izabe bringing you guys another Hololive Minecraft video reaction, and this one we're going to actually go back a bit before the Pekomuna stuff, and this all happened during the Pekosuba war. And if you've seen the clips I've covered on this channel, you know that they've gone back and forth quite a few times, from the invisibility to the pressure plates to Pekora doing the pressure plates again, and now we are here for another revenge plot involving fireworks. So I wonder how that's going to work, and I am excited because the Pekosuba back and forth has been amazing to watch, and it's so much fun. I love how much fun they have within the server, and how they like to just have these innocent pranks against each other, and and how much thought and time they put behind it, and the fact that they have their own little companies. You've got the Usada Kensetsu, you got the Ozora Kensetsu, you've got, and they're like with their little spats against each other. I love the overarching stories that they have within the server, and it just makes these streams so much better and so much more fun. And the fact that there's a cohesive story within these streams, oh, just so much fun to be had within these servers, and so many clips to be made as well. So I'm interested to see how this is all going to work out, and how Subaru is going to manage to get Pekora into this prank, because you know Pekora, she's very devious when it comes to pranks, and I feel like she would know when she's about to be pranked, except for that one time. So I want to see if she can get her again. Big thanks to Otakumori for translating the video, and of course if you are enjoying these Hololive videos on this channel, please do consider subscribing, because it helps me out and it helps the channel out and lets me know that you guys are enjoying the Hololive videos. But that has been enough of that. Let's just get right into the reaction. So without further ado guys, 3, 2, 1, go! I like how it's just smug. She's like, chuba, 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 chuba. Oh, is this what she tried to do to Muna? Oh, this is how Muna knew. Oh, it makes it cute. It lets us know that Muna actually watches Pekora'S streams. But you know, I'd suspect as much, but it is really cute getting that confirmation. The fact that she knew what the trap was already. Just her. Oh, she's suspicious of the hole. Oh. I like how they're always on edge now. Her, Subaru, and Pekora. Does she not know? Just put a pressure plate down, Subaru. Oh my god, I thought it was gonna be an innocent prank. It full on killed her. What the That was brutal. Oh my god, I didn't think it was that bad. I like how she knew who it was straight away. Oh my god. That was deadly. That was really cool. Oh my god. Got some tea as well, by the way. She did this to me first. That was almost a big yabai. That was almost a big yabai. Oh my god. Could you imagine if she just started round 2? Oh, that's cool. What? There's tripwires in Minecraft as well. And apologies. Okay, a good spurny tea. That's good. Dude, this is so devious. This is like Hitman almost. The fact that she set up tripwires. No, like Splinter Cells. Mate, congratulations for establishing those. Okay. I'm looking forward to your future endeavors. It's a humble congratulations gift. Please accept it. From now on, let's have a good whole life. Who else do you think would make something like this? Let's be serious.
眉毛をつけに行く。あ、一本眉いいね、一本眉。一本眉にしよう。
It looks adorable though.
遊戯王のホンダじゃん。もうちょい伸ばせない。なんか可愛くない？なんか許せんのだけど。
Yeah, it actually does look very cute.
もっとなんか
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like how it tried to give it a unibrow. She made it look cute. It looks like a cap now almost.
鼻水垂らしとくか。ここにつけよ
う。let me see it from the outside. Oh, dude. Subaru's laugh is so blessed. I absolutely love Subaru's laugh.
なんか地味だな。
It does look kind of plain.
これぐらいにしとくか。普通にさ、まだ可愛いけど、まあでもね、ほんちゃんここだから。こうして。
So what's she gonna try to do here?
うるさいだろうな。あ、いいじゃんね。いいじゃん。
So what's she trying to do here? I'm really interested in what she's planning on doing here.
で、真ん中に、まあ、ここにあれをね、立てるんですけど、ここにトロッコを乗せる。トロッコ乗せてどれだけうるさいかろう。よし。消えちゃう。
So she just wants this display. Oh, she's gonna put chickens in the. Wait, I don't know what she's planning to put chickens in the car. They're not making any noise though, are they?
人参を植えておかないとな。で、ベリー調達しに行こう。
Oh, well, she's gonna put berries around the entire place. Oh no, so it's gonna just be a nightmare to even get down there. So this is Pekora'S house, correct?
なんかこれわかるかな。ヘッドホンしてるとさ。なんかヘッドホン。
It's a really smart idea. It would be really annoying. You just come to us and like, what is that noise?
そうですね。よーし。よしよしよしよし。
I like how innocent her prank is compared to. I feel like this is the long game prank though. But Pekora would realize what's going on very quickly. Wait, what? She killed one of them. Wait, did she just kill one of them? Yeah. Did they get run over? Yeah, they got. I think it got glitched in and got run over. Oh, it died to the berries. But the chicken hasn't really made many noises, has it? Oh. Could you imagine if she accidentally burnt? Oh, that would be awful. Yeah, that is true. Oh, she should burn the house! Oh no! She just burned Pekora'S house now! What the What? Wait. Is this where Watame is? Is this where Watame is giving people fugu? Yeah, I've seen this clip. I've seen this clip where Watame goes around giving fugu. I saw her give it to Sora and she almost killed Sora as well.
べれるんですよ。どれぐらい回復するんだろう。おーいおーい渡辺
The sheep poisoning the duck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, the effect, the poison effect, the fact that it just like messes up your screen makes it look like a drug effect as well is hilarious. And the fact that she hasn't even drank her milk here is hilarious.
牛乳
牛乳.
いやギリギリやん。
I don't think it kills you though.
渡辺さんわ
The world's against Subaru right now. I wonder if we're gonna get Pekora'S reaction to our
な
house.
ぜどうしてよし、じゃああとはね、ちょっとね、横のはしごも直してペコラに連絡する。
Oh, did she fix the house?
はい、ということでですね、今日はね
Oh, did she end up fixing the house? Oh, that's nice if she did, but the fact that she burnt the house down is crazy.
ギリギリね。
Damn, dude, I thought it's a shame that we didn't get Pekora'S reaction to her house burning down, but that's crazy. The fact that she thought she was safe and the fact that she didn't burn the house down, but as soon as she came back up, like we saw part of the house, we're like, oh yeah, it's fine. But as soon as we came to the other half, it was just completely gone and burnt down, and she was just like, no. But the fact that she was able to accurately fix it, I don't know how accurately she was able to fix it, but it looked pretty accurate and it seemed all to be intact. Like, that's quite impressive, and especially if she went off, like, you know, by just looking at a picture or something, or unless she had the actual plan that Pekora had as well, so you could just work with that. But that is quite impressive. It's always so impressive to see how good they all are at constructing and making stuff within the server, as you've got Hachama's art, you've got Pekora'S contraptions, you've got Subaru, who's also joined in with these like massive like creations and constructions with her like duck that she has, and just all the other things that have been sprinkled around the servers. It's just so nice to see, which gives the server so much life in general and personality, which I really do like. But that has been the reaction for today, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy the reaction. If you did, please do leave a like, drop a comment in the comment section down below whose trap you liked better there. If you like Subaru's or if you like Pekora'S. We haven't seen Pekora'S reaction to the trap itself, so I wonder if there is a continuation to that, and if there is, please do link it in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to check it out. And of course, if you did enjoy the video and you are enjoying the Hololive/VTuber content on this channel, please do consider subscribing, because it helps me out and lets me know that you guys are enjoying the videos. But that has been all for me today, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.